The topic of this video is how to import Webull crypto into Turbotax. So here we are on the Turbotax home screen, signed in and everything. And what you want to do is navigate to documents on the top left hand side here. And then we want to click on linked accounts and click on add an account. And from here, what we want to do is just search for Webull. And then you can see the Webull omnibus, click on that. And now what we want to do is click on get my form. And all you want to do here is sign in, and then they're going to send you a verification code. Just type in your code and press next. Now I haven't completed my sign up with Webull, so I don't really have any documentation to send over, but you will have options on this screen, and all you need to do is follow the prompts and you can connect so many more things to Webull. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.